Plenty glad we meet up again. Chapter 2 for Tori for inside Equinox Story House for we head office. We then have for Douala side for place where they call them say Mobibo na Kwangwan country people them. Now for this self with Tori man Edina Tori just now. Strong number for this afternoon. We go talk Palava Pikin. We sabi say for Yawende. Now Palava for Pikin where they cut head. When they meet up head for dirty side, last, they don't catch that woman, and even man where this will be the same for inside that place. Tori we enter for we here just now, it the talk for we say restaurant, where it is so they be the say that shop, they call them na Jesus restaurant. Now for inside Jesus restaurant, they be the same man skin. Question, for that side for mile 4, for inside Limbe, now picking when mommy, it don't born and look out and so they reach for some age. He go level for man a backside house on top place where they call and say septic tank. Now for the way they go left Pikin cry for night so now for this early morning time where they come up Pikin for that side. We go take una go to for my form. We talk that palava. As well we talk for year. Boya for place where they call and say Bongo Square this and time. Every day na other kind. Now for second say waiting. Woman them for Boya they come out. Now cry this. Now prayer this. Only for talk say make this confusion for Norwest as a ways a finish. We go take una land to for Boya. We talk to a pass or inside Boya. So this and time. All the Tori then so plus chapter for road. Even chapter for poor way the 4 right for inside people that dom up. All the one them we go finish them. Now we waiting. Thing way newspaper says a talker. Big part talk for this afternoon. Editor we say when beef a change bush, now so too it go change the chop. I say when beef a change bush, now so too it go change the chop. Now adjutant chef Saboke Savon for that side for brigade for gendarme Bamenda. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back some more time. Just for sabi say for you where you did look you want also come up for house where you know one lost story. Just go one time for Equinox Story House Facebook. You meet up RTO the talk live as well as the talk for this site. And even if you join we for PG News for Equinox site just now, you feel look and live. If you want come out for outside house, you feel enter for inside your Android phone. Enter for PG News Equinox. You start look out to where they pass, you know must to look for tele for house. So, we want to say big thank you for Da Silva, Michael, where he making them for work I find for this side. Tori for this time or this afternoon, we go start now with this chapter. For night, we go use the eye, we see where to office. Now motor we born, as we Tori enter for we EM. Now for side for my forward this motor so we born, na some taxi, country people them. Where taxi he born he catch fire certain man he no sabi wetin happen before taxi catch fire. No man he never feel for talk whether na people dey put fire for day or na the taxi says start catch fire. But people there they be there for time where taxi be the born as well taxi don't already catch fire. People that struggle so they lost the fire from top taxi skin. They try for tell we say na the taxi says a job wake up crazy so they start born. They only come on an engine for inside the motor and some other small thing them. No man he no be get caught, no man he no be get wound. For sika this taxi way born as we Tori enter for we EM for my first side for Limbe side country people them and just for sabi say driver says he be come up for the taxi safe. No nothing, he no touch it. Only say the motor he born so they where he no dey. As well I talk, make una use una ICT una fee for see and one no fit see am una no ask ambassador say ambassador wetin we no fit see am. Now for night wey we say we take this image for that side so for my 4 and e be dey na taxi wey e be the born. As well the talk if you wan comot for house just now for say you no fit continue for look am for tori enter one time for Facebook we dey too live you feel the talk you feel the city wey dey happen you put your own small comment for this. So as well the show now na motor wey be the born taxi way born for inside that side so for my 4 Tori way enter for we here. No man no sabi way to make the motor before it start born. But lucky say people they be there for lost fire for that side. We go turn back for inside the tori for head for pikin. We go start the tori for Sawe will be starter. Then we'll finish am for Sawe will get for finisher. Chapter 1 for the tori for head. Now for 11 quarter. Inside Suwa, Yawende. We be done the check say vote in the camp. All man must to go enter for a last Ngrimba place. For check as way a old man go pass. Lie. People on a spy, on a see the head find in that. Na the see am. Na the see am. Una no fi see am. Una no fi see am. Una no worry. Una no fi see am. Na only ambassador get eye for see am. All man be the can't stand up. He the only spy for see. He the spy for see. Una see am no. Una don't see the head. Una no fi see am. Una no fi see am. Una no over jejek una eye. Na only man na the see am. Now so people they turn up. They say where? Now which kind of thing this? Which kind of ballot for inside country? Yeah, when the 5 council people, they be dead. Police, oh, they be dead. Dirty place. Now when they decide for court picking hate, they go put them for inside there. Now who carry the hate? Now who call the hate? We want to say congratulate for we police people then. For Sika say after when they go see the thing, it no be overstay. They sabi who be do the work. All that fly then so na sorry that head be demon and no worry. We be already come out the head before we take on a shoulder back. That's what it happen. Now for inside Cameroon also. So people they wash hand. They say now who goes carry pikin. So he caught he hate he can't throw here. Waiting people they no talk. They say na Ngrimba campaign he don't start. Small time vote the cam. All money they make your own small Ngrimba. Now head that way they put inside back people that are on the 5 council. They put them for inside bag, they be they carry and for go. Now they head that. Big head there, not na small hit. Picking for 8 years, if I no make mistake. So, after auditing them, man adin, that image will get a small short image. So we go try for play and plenty time. After we police they go make investigate. Only 48 hours. Now let me say today. Police they catch woman, we begin hand, and even the man. We go to talk on that image, man. That will take people then go for that compound. Where woman says na woman the own picking says na he take his hand. Yeah, now I talk no man. Nothing that they try for tell you. We go play and plenty time. We go try for play and plenty time so that people they understand. Now the woman this way, this so now for the way they catch woman. Una no go understand. Ambassador before you want land for dating, they be don't turn upside down. So we will enter for the way they already catch a woman. They don't catch a woman population, but one killer na killer. Na Cameroon woman. Na he say carry the pikin go give for some Nigerian man where he dey arrow for a place. And the place na say, una hear name for restaurant. Jesus restaurant. Yes. Jesus restaurant where they go, they surely say 1 pound arrow. Now 1.5. You know sabi to the chop and the chop where 1 pound arrow for 1.5. You chop 1 pound arrow for 2,000, 1 pound arrow for 3,000. You know, Sabi said they put special meat inside the chop. So as well the talk, police they don't catch that man and that woman. The woman na Cameroon woman. The man na Nigerian man where he say for some restaurant for that side place where they cook chop now. Now for the woman they say. So now then too they be join out. They go meet up the picking for inside fish for that man. Only investigate around corner. They meet up the picking for the head no day. Yeah, on the 5 council don't take head go. Picking his skin, he dey for inside fish. He did do it for inside fish. Now the new mortuary be that. Eh? Then they not even sorry Papa God the picking his name. They say Jesus restaurant. They say 1 pound arrow 5,000. Not too much. When they talk that one, they say better. Now say you throw your picking than say you kill your picking. Make we take una go for my 4 for Limbe. This other one na picking where the level. Nana did overwork with the image. Wahala mo start for you. Now mommy will carry that picking. Now go pick picking. They don't put picking for some place where they call and say septic tank. Una sabia no. For night 8 o'clock yesterday. Picking don't cry yesterday. So take for the early morning time. Now where they go meet all the picking. So the innocent picking. I get picking. Now the mommy here cry since for night. If he checks in, I neighbor picking the cry. He knows Sabi say the person just there for a backside house on top septic. So mommy carry picking one time. He take and go for mile 4 station. So we say so work out with him mommy. So to reach from mile 4 police station. Now for them when mommy carry picking, he go give for police people. They say now picking this so. Una see sand no sand there for all side. That one we no go talk palava Sam. But now for that side for Limbe, Bonadikombo. Now for them when mommy carry pikin, e go level. Say this one na pikin this way I see am for my backside house on top septic tank. Pikin don cry o since 8 o'clock for night so tey for morning time. When mommy pikin say don go abandon pikin, e enter Sosongo. Na sisi find their pikin. You know sabi whether the pikin go be na future president or future first lady for inside we country. He go abandon innocent pikin. Mommy wey born and go level. He don look out and so tey reach for that level. He go left the pikin. If no be na this woman wey help the pikin, we no for here, we no for sabi tori o for the talk now. Innocent pikin wey no sabi know nothing. Time wey dey be the open foot, they no sabi. Now e don pass them. E don pass am, e don go left am for us. Well, if that mommy no get pikin, make police people dey just left that pikin with that mommy. They give the pikin the name say God bless you, God sent. No be so. Na God sent. Innocent pikin. Mommy born am, e don look out and so tey e don go abandon am. So na the thing that way pass for that side for mile 4 Bonadikombo for Limbe. Make we hear wetin wey that mommy e talk for we own padiman for that side for Limbe. Job Desiree.
You know say my new tenant get baby wey the pikin dey on top septic tank since 8 o'clock.
Jesus. For night.
For night. With only tricot. Na e close the house. So that happen there. He wear that's a tricot and he socks. He socks up, he don't come off for a food. He leave it on top septic tank from my backside. Oh, inside that cold. He want diaper so he don't shit piece.
So the pikin mommy dey?
We no. He can abandon the pikin for that night. So this madam the year cry, innocent from my house where some stranger don't come. We to the year crowd, not saying that pikin come on concern about 2 months old pikin. So that the confusion that any man feel say no, that neighbor get pikin, that neighbor. Until for 20 minutes past 1, my husband say no. So pikin the cry behind my room. So as he open blind, he see pikin the on top septic tank. Pikin don't be seen where the year cry, we to the year. If you don't call like say they put it inside prison.
So no man no get no idea of the place where he leave a pikin.
No man. I shout my neighbor, I say, well, when I wake up, oh. My neighbor say you don't wake up. I say now we this for outside, so we all now meet when the pikin there for down. We pick the pikin now, take it inside house, start change the clothes. All things don't wet, it don't cold. So now new clothes in this will just put that on for you. Pikin the cry for you.
Yes, na pikin that way they pick am for on top safety tank where mommy don't abandon. We the talk say better say you leave away you no kill am than say you kill am. That one na two different things the way you don't do. At least maybe the mommy though sorry say you no get chop. But if now you left that pikin abeg. Go take pikin. Pikin is hard for make am. If God don't give you pikin, just go carry am one time. Then for you say go back chop. Look at the pikin. Even na the man don't left you. Go. No left pikin so. We go left palava for pikin them. We go turn back for we road them. Yes. Na road in the main country for go for before. And we national road number 5 where it don't spoil. It the hot all man for mind. Quota it don't old. Motor they take na style small for waka. Hole for inside road. How accident no go happen? How accident no go happen? When national roads e don rot in so. Wetin country dey do for the national road? Na for the same road where they go pass go make campaign for Nkonsamba. They go pass go make campaign for Banga. Pass go make campaign for Kompina. Pass go make campaign for Suza. But na the road be that. Road e don chakada sote wey no dey. Motor dem say they dey use na style for waka for the road. If wey dey ready driver dem say they for take by force pension or they for make mash. E dey like say country go turn fine. But with the talk chapter for road, with different people dey talk na how they dey make campaign. Join money say make they help other people dem. See toll gate for Banga, see road. People dey take 500. Accident dey so happen. But they dey take money for toll gate. Wetin be they use for that money for toll gate? They know they use and sell for put sign. They dey put sign na only say 21 people they don't die, 23 people they don't die. Now road that see toll gate they dey take 500. Accident is also happen. Road sell for reach for toll gate disgrace. E don chakara. Road for go from lower toll gate disgrace. E don chakara. Wetin we want? Papa talk.
Wait, how we road day? The road day we wanna dey sham so.
Now more than 10 years we when I see this place where they so all time where they pass here, small time they can't throw small gravel for here. For front here, you don't see the player they call them toll gate. They collect money for day. If you see that place, you go shock say they take money for day. Million the all time for that place where they for before years. So I be happy say I meet up Kinox for here today. We know must always she don't say all things they that's so for Yaoundé. No be sure that whether Yaoundé they pass for you. Now we will there for you with the suffer. So we will do work for the road every day. You must change shop for motor every day. You must change every part for motor because of the bad place where they were. Not only this place, almost the whole of this road. Potholes they flop all sides. Sometimes you see they can't choose for one place, fix them, then jump another one. Because this road they say I don't see the wrong pass today. They lock some hold them, jump some hold them. I don't know whether that's so they work. Not say all the hold they the same time, but they will fix someone, leave someone. Whether they wait now again, we don't know. Don't.
Now one part that way says they stay for it she done for inside that place for that side for Banga. He says they talk in mind. He then a private. Make we hear wait to drive again for talk for the palaver.
For make sure say make government they try for fix the roads. And this Wake Up go play for Cameroon. We don't know whether players they will come up for Douala, they'll be able to go for Bafoussam for go play the Wake Up. Because all the struggle is see motor than so. No not any worker. If it driver they tire, a most accident for roads because of roads. The payers say the toll gates where they collect money every day, they not be able for fix the toll gates. Instead for me better, instantly the toll gates make any man do as a like for the toll gate because the money for the toll gate they collect we don't know place the money they go and the road they not fine. But I see indirect motor them. Accident, more accident them. It happen for the road Banga, Douala, Bamenda, especially in Banga. If you accident, Banga, because the road no fine.
They don't know fine for true and una set up una the use una idle una the see. If they no fix national road, na quarter road they go fix am. Small time school they start. Roads for that side for go for government school Mabanda, and they always spoil the go. I say people they ask question whether it is so this road picking they go use them or they no go fit for use them. The road is the only spoil in the go. Some people they say where they don't even get good heart. They carry ground. They don't struggle for can't cover the road, but that one they never so help. People they work and for inside water. They go the Tosa ambassador national road they empty. They never fix and a quarter road they go fix them. How picking they go school? If rain it continue for 4, lucky self says small time rain go finish or Douala. See, they don't put place where they say that place is deep. People they no fit pass for inside the place. Now road that way they go for government school. And when rain get for 4 for the roads, where they go for that side for Mabanda, government school Mabanda, wetin man go do? Man no fit do no nothing. It don't make a now population say na dem say they carry ground, they put am. They say they struggle for see whether they fit open their gutter hole, so that even small thing one power water fit find road the pass. Then the ground say they don't put am. As soon as they see am, ground it don't be water, it don't can carry all thing go with her. Now for talk say waiting. Now governor don't forget peoples, or now the peoples they forget governor. Now peoples they forget governor, and governor forgets people. See as well people they suffer. Inside 21st century, as I be say campaign they start small time. They go so go make campaign. 100% someone they go get her. 0% other one they will get her. But the road it never so dey better. I say people they decry all the road. Now then say that they walk road. Now then say that. Now then say that they walk road, they open their gutter there. Who they be get for do the work? I believe say whether na council or na governor delegate, see small pikin too don't take shovel. It is struggle for dig your own place. Now only them. Who side will they go? Now for before or for back? We must go before 2035, we must go for before. If we no go for before, then we no one go for before. Una this year, una go ask and say, ambassador, you don't show national road. If they never look at national road, na quarter road they go look at them. When school you no start fine for Mabanda side, government school na what say waiting. When rain fall, mami them pikin they go comot their shoe. Teacher they say they comot their shoe before they walk up for inside water reach or side water no dey. Then they wear their shoe them back. Na shame no. Repeat talk your mind.
We the beg government as he rent the camp so we don't suffer over as we look at we work for you so begin today now begin the work yesterday now we don't work for say any day begin when they go school they must pass so go school when school start begin they no fit pass say any day we dey for move them for water for here stay for professor they come then they turn go we beg mayor say make them come only na time for campaign and na time for campaign this one must come show say for this Carrefour Enzo population day as we are all looking at the work so na Enzo any day we dey work. Motor no fit pass. We say we no fit pass. Begin the no fit come out us go school. Me when I can't help we to don't try over for work. Well look today now so this small begin to they don't suffer. Now them they work for them now so we turn up so the courage them. We to don't want stay. We back down block. We no fit work again. Now begin that they take we relief. So this for the Carrefour Enzo grab go pass for Terminus bar go reach for down there for lycée. People no fit work. When today now if find plenty, it like a big sun don't come out. When I
Well, now we country we must to go for before. I talk for now say today for Boya. Mami they don't come up for outside. Young girl they say they don't come up for outside. They no come on now with each chair. They come on can she done now for empty road. They cry. Papa God, help we don't tire. Serious cry and serious prayer. Make we go Boya. Mami then that's the way they come up for inside side for Boya country people them. Now for this early morning time, them say they come up plenty. They say better. Now for say make they should down for ground. May they cry so that Papa God say PC and say till way they happen. They don't tire. They don't tire. They say people they did die. Cargo they did chakara. People they did also shoot all day. They don't tire. They don't tire. They left all things for Papa God. Now anyway they say they talk say better na for ground. Now for on top quota mami they she done. They did prayer. They say they don't tire all the things the way they happen for inside country. They say make Papa God a show sorry heart. Make Papa God a show sorry heart. We go turn back full for inside the palaver. Now boya that as well we see we go quick enter for inside palaver for turn back for school. When I sabi say school says with the turn back small time and plenty people they don't check inside this palaver for school for turn back. Who side they go put their pikin there for school? Who side they no go put their pikin there for school? For that side for Bois de Senge we be enter for some one school Divine Bilingual College, Divine Star Bilingual College. Now school this itself with plenty anglophone they say they she done for day. But the name it be there for on top minister for college book say they never finish their book. But according to Tori we enter for we hear just now, Divine Star, even as they go change their name small time, their book is there for that side for Yawende. And minister they look at them. So then say they prepare say me picking the tomba for school in the proper. Another school say will pass for inside the same chapter. Now place where they call them say Divine Grace Bilingual College. But they talk say waiting. The school in name where my minister get a nominal the school they name this. They say they don't change them. But whether they change now, whether na Grace Divine or bilingual or na bilingual Grace Divine or anyone, my minister sabi the name where he put on top of book. They don't talk say they must to finish all work before it dey so they enter. We take una enter for different students for Bois de Senge where it dey so my minister don't talk say make they try. They do all things. Whether the name change or it no change. My minister get name where they for inside a book. They must to respect commandeer. We go take una quickly to we enter for inside park country people them just for sabi say for that side so for park it dey na palava for waiting Palava for people the way they don't enter for inside Douala plenty for Sika say they want get picking them for inside school them for this side for Douala. Sabi say something now people them for that side so for Norway's they never sabi wait way it the pass and wait way no go pass. But just for Sabi say they don't so they try for talk say waiting. May they try for can't keep picking them place. So plenty people them they don't come up Bamenda one the way they come up for Sawes. Them too they can't find a mission for picking them now for school them for inside Douala and plenty of the school them for Douala side here call the people them private school them they don't already open their class them so that some of the people the way they so they get for camp school for this side they go get space where they go sit down inside for learn book in the proper government school them for the one for they don't enter for them they try for tell we say space no go there when the other normal space it don't full up but Sabi say plenty picking the SSF they don't come for can do thing them in the better. Manadi make we take people then go for Chang one time so that for talk say this so for that side for Chang as we school it start small time people them for Chang they don't gather some picking them where it is so their own them. We more go for Chang. We take people then go for Chang quick. We talk other palaba yes. For that side so for college for Basinglam. Now for the way they so for that side for Chang elite and SSF they don't gather small book them for gear and for some picking them for that side so Sabi say na time for go back for school and no be na all picking them they get right they no get money so some elite and SSF they don't join hand for give small dash them for picking them for that side so for Chang and even teacher them for say make they start the school better. We take una now so go for Busumbu na palava for Ndamba for talk say they so even as we confusion day for that side for Northwest and Southwest for inside place of Busumbu na lower Busumbu village with that for tell we say waiting make we go for the last story Ndamba make we take people then go for the last story for that side so for lower Busumbu palava for Ndamba calling people them for talk say chief for that side they call it say Chief Gobinam. He be gather picking them, young boy them for inside that quarter for tell them say waiting for try for tell them say all the pungu wey dey happen better make they sit down for one place or do something. Lower Busumbu na village wey ejo comot for get his own space na for Sika wide that way dey so chief for that side wey they call it say Chief Gobinam he join the picking them better say make they do something than for say they can catch and say they don't cause confusion for town so he be make small Ndamba competition for keep the young people them for that side so for lower Busumbu may they continue for be prepared and for say make peace e dey for inside a country. Now the tori then that will get am for now for this afternoon. We go take announce we dey for we table. We no go fit for bring the newspaper we dey for Sika say we don already come out outside time. Make we take una for this announcement. We get picky we don't lost. We get this picky wey they call am say Domfa Casey wey he don't lost. Make we try for talk this palabam. Then we come out for inside tori for this afternoon. Yes, now the picking be that. Domfa Casey Megan, they say get 19 years. And he don't lost for house now. He don't disappear for house more than 3 weeks now. As so the talk, he be the shit down for Bonaberry side for place where they call him say 105. They say this picking the talk fine for Emmanuel Macron country talk. And the picking sense, it they correct. It means say no nothing never shake for a hit. So Pam, where they call it say Moulin Joseph. He beg any person who don't see this in needs, make a call the tigni number them 670-281-078 696-278-084 699-160-233 678-303-929 or he bring you for Equinox Story House plenty dash elevate you. Monsieur Moulin Joseph annonce la disparition de sa nièce, elle l'a nommée Domfa Casey Megan, âgée de 19 ans, depuis 3 semaines au quartier Bonaberry, au lieu-dit Sansen. Megan s'exprime parfaitement en langue française et jouit parfaitement de toutes ses facultés physiques et psychologiques. Monsieur Moulin Joseph dit à tout le monde, si vous avez trouvé l'enfant, vous pouvez appeler le numéro suivant 670-281-078 696-270-84-699-160-233 678-303 929 contre une très forte récompense. Now there's more one than that for this afternoon. We thank all Naona Puhan for saying Tori Iwaka fine. We go meet up again na sote for some time with other Tori the way they happen for inside we country. On a whole tight.